Welcome to NIOS, Simple and Easy. This video is on Home Science Chapter 1, Nature and Scope of Business. At its core, home science is both a science and an art dedicated to improving the quality of life for our homes, families, and communities. It covers various aspects like food and nutrition, resource management, and human development to help us live better.
There are many myths about home science, but the reality is quite different. It is a field for everyone, regardless of gender. It provides practical life skills that lead to diverse career opportunities in fields like health, nutrition, teaching, and management, helping build a better future. Home science sits at the unique intersection of art and science. By applying both, we can manage our resources efficiently, create beautiful living spaces, maintain healthy nutrition, and support the growth and well-being of our families. This interdisciplinary field is divided into 5 main branches: food and nutrition, resource management, human development, fabric and apparel science, and communication and extension. Together, these areas work to promote individual well-being and strengthen our communities. Focusing on food and nutrition, we see diverse career paths. Whether through self-employment, such as running a catering service or being a nutrition coach, or wage employment as a dietitian, food quality officer, or researcher, this field is vital for maintaining a healthy nation. Home science promotes a modern dual-role equilibrium. It equips individuals with the skills needed to be efficient homemakers while simultaneously pursuing successful professional careers, proving that one can balance both worlds effectively.
In summary, home science develops essential life skills like decision-making, creativity, and communication. It offers a wide range of employment opportunities and provides practical knowledge for daily life, from meal planning to time management, making it an invaluable field of study. Like and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.